A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know that there's a God, right? When you look outside and you see all of the something them we make, you know, say there is a God. But tell me, where you do about that knowledge, that know where you know? You worship him or you worship false God? Make we think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God or talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below and share it with all of your friends. And if you don't subscribe to the channel yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, me go read from Paul letter to the Roman them, chapter 1, from verse 18 to verse 32. From heaven, which part in rule, God show same begs and I go judge all of the people them will live in a sin and will do all kind of wicked sin. Them the people they tap other people from know the truth about God with the wicked sin them where them do. God I go punish them because everything we did if you know about God in front of them plain because God himself show them. Nobody can see God, but then can know about him. From God make the world, he must show people who him be. When you look upon the sin them we make, you can know say him a really God and that him a go have all the power forever and ever. So nobody can say they never know about him. And even though they know say him a God, they not treat him like say him a God. They not praise him and they not give him thanks for all when do for them. Sake of that, then starting bare foolish. Nothing where they think no right and then can't understand nothing about God. Them claim say them wise, but a fool then turn fool. God can't dead. Him a go live forever and ever. And instead of them worship him and say that him a God, them turn around and worship false God. Them start worship false God we look like one man or we come in like bud. False God we look like animal we walk and animal we crawl. And cause people so fool. God left them for do what them want to do. He left them for do all of the nastiness where them well want to do. And we take part in all kind of sexing. We just mash up them body. And we just bring down shame upon them one another. Them turn them back upon the truth about God and go believe one lie. Them worship and serve the sitting them where God make. Instead of now worship God, we make everything. And God forget the praise forever and ever. Amen. And cause them do them sitting there, God left them for bring down shame upon themselves. Him left them for take part in all kind of sexing. And so the woman them tap doing normal. Them tap sleep with man and go start sleep with woman. As same so the man them tap doing normal too. Them tap sleep with woman and go start sleep with man. Man asleep with man. That a shame. And cause what them do wrong, God I go give them just what them forget. God I go punish them. Them know the truth about God, but they make up their mind, say them nah believe it. So God left them for do all of the sitting them with them dirty mind tell them for do. Him left them for do the sitting them where them no for do. Them the people they wicked. Them full up of wickedness. Them ever want what other people have and them ever do bad sitting to other people. Them the people they full up a bad mind. They love to cuss and fight. Them ever try to trick them one another. And they ever want to kill off them one another too. Them the people they love to so. Them lie and they love to big up themselves. Them full of themselves subtle. Nobody can talk to them. And they no show nobody no respect. Them no follow nothing where them mother and father say. Them no love God. And them ever plan up all kind of wicked sitting. Them the people they know no sense. Them know no heart. They no do nothing where they say them are gonna do. And they no take pity upon nobody. Even though they know, say God say anybody where take part in a them sitting there deserve to dead, them go and live them life same way. Worse, them all I tell other people, say a good sitting them a do when they take part in a them sitting there too. A God what this? Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.